Ladies and gentlemen, behold one of the most anticipated cars of the decade. This marvel of engineering is not just another high-performance vehicle. It's a testament to automotive innovation and design. Meet the successor to the Bugatti Chiron, a car we're about to explore in detail right here, right now. You've been eagerly awaiting this moment, and so have I. So let's dive straight in. Introducing the Bugatti Tourbillon. Now, let me apologize for the pronunciation, but this beast is a 276 mile per hour, two-seater phenomenon, and the first Bugatti in 2 decades not to be driven by a V16 engine. Instead, it boasts an 8.3-liter naturally aspirated V16 engine that spans an impressive 1 meter in length. Yes, we've bid farewell to the quartet of turbochargers that were the hallmark of the Veyron and Chiron. In their place, we find the rapid responsiveness of 3 electric motors, 2 on the front axle and 1 at the rear. This hybrid powerhouse churns out a staggering 1,775 brake horsepower, propelling it to a top speed of 276 miles per hour. For context, the Chiron Supersport peaked at 273 miles per hour. Can you even fathom the velocity of a Supersport version of the Tourbillon? Curious about its sound? Here's a taste of that V16 roar. Performance stats? Prepare to be astounded. 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2 seconds, 0 to 125 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, and 0 to 248 miles per hour in less than 25 seconds. The development team was challenged with creating a car that could withstand immense aerodynamic forces and the extreme heat generated by a V16 engine and 3 electric motors, all while housing a 25-kilowatt battery. They also ensured its design would be timeless, drawing inspiration from classic Bugattis. The car features a central character line resembling rivets, symbolizing its robust construction. Up front, you'll find the iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille and a low, aggressive stance, while the rear boasts a massive diffuser, crucial for stability at top speeds. Inside, Bugatti has resisted the urge to go all out with oversized touchscreens. They envision this car gracing a concours d'elegance lawn a century from now, still looking cutting edge. The only screen is a hidden display that emerges from the center console at the touch of a button. Traditional doesn't mean outdated here. Take the driver's display, composed of 600 individual parts, including titanium, ruby, and sapphire. Despite its complexity, it weighs a mere 700 grams. The center console combines aluminum, leather, and crystal glass, exuding the quintessential Bugatti feel. The buttons and switches showcase their inner mechanisms, offering a traditional yet sophisticated aesthetic. The start-stop button is a nod to classic car rituals. Pull it out once, pull it out again, and the engine roars to life. To turn it off, simply press it. While the Tourbillon pays homage to the past, its construction is thoroughly modern, featuring a carbon composite body and 3D printed aluminum suspension arms, making it almost half as light as those in the Chiron. Now, you must be wondering how to get your hands on one. Unfortunately, all 250 units, priced at $4 million each, have already been sold. And with that, our time together comes to an end. Thank you for joining us, and farewell.